Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint and the credit assassins. Guys, I'm excited that you guys are here today. And look, being a service member, been in the military for about 21 years, I know very well about Navy Federal Credit Union and all the other credit unions that serve the military. And I'll tell you what, Navy Federal is like the best credit union in the United States. Not because I'm biased, because I'm in the military, it's because they give you everything that you need when it comes down to personal and business. So guys, I mean, if you see my screen, you're gonna see that Navy Federal offers you the platinum, the cash rewards, the more rewards, and the flagship. Now, you gotta think about between all these 4 credit cards, you can get up to $80,000 credit line. And yeah, your credit's gotta be 750 and above in order to get some of these cards. But in order to raise it, all you need to do is be with Navy Federal for a couple of days or couple of months in order for you to start requesting a credit line increase for some of these cards. So like, for example, for my flagship, when I first started with Navy Federal, I got my flagship and I got off the bat. And don't get me wrong, I was Navy Federal Credit Union service member and member for probably a couple of years before I even got the flagship. But off the bat, they gave me a $25,000. I waited 6 months and I requested a $50,000 increase and I got it, guys. But you know what? My credit score back then was, I think it was in the 740, 47, something like that. But it was actually, you know, you create, the longer that you are with Navy Federal, the better it is. Because you create those points and that relationship, they are a relationship type of bank. So that's what I want you to understand. If you don't have any plans to actually get a credit card in the near future or a business account, no matter what, still get the membership. Still get the membership, still become a member and let it dormant, put some money in there, and every month go ahead and add money to your checking account. And even though if you have a business, open that checking account and let it season. Just like when you let some meat marinate, you want that to have some great flavor. That's what I need you to do with Navy Federal. But let's talk about some of the new ways that you could become a Navy Federal Credit Union member without being in the military or being directly associated to one of us military members. Now guys, but before I continue, I want you to look, I know I'm gonna give you some tools right here, some nuggets, some content and value. I would like for you guys, if this is your first time on our channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you click on that bell icon so that you be notified every time that I post some new content. And guys, it's 7 days out of the week. 7 days out of the week, I've dropped some new content. Everything that I add is because you guys ask me and you guys have questions, and I like to go ahead and bring it to you guys. I love what I do. I have a passion to help others, and this is one of the main things that I have learned, that I have mastered. So I want to bring it to you, and I want to make sure that you guys start the same path that I took years ago, and this is where I am today. So I want to make sure that you guys go ahead and do it as well. Now, give me the thumbs up. Why? That's going to help me. That's going to help the algorithms, or help me with algorithms on YouTube, so like that this content, which is fresh off the press, could go to a lot more people, and they could also actually benefit from this benefit. All right, guys. So look, let's go on our screen. How do we become a member? I'm not gonna click over here, but I mean, you see, I have a couple of accounts that I have, my personal and my business. So all right, so now let's click on how to become a member. So you see all the other options. So in order to become a member, you either got to be a service member or veteran, been in the military or have been in the military, active duty reservists, veterans, and retired members of the Armed Forces and Coast Guard. Now, Coast Guard, yes, you need to, Coast Guard is also part of the military, but that's a service or a branch of service that it belongs to DOD, to the Department of Defense. It's not really the military. Now you also have DOD employees and contractors, and also family members, immediate family members, or anyone that's eligible that is associated to a military member. So let's go. Let's click on learn more. And you'll see this nifty. We got Mr. Captain America over here looking at I guess some groceries that he just bought. But anyway, so let's continue. If you scroll down, you're gonna see some of the options that we have. who can join? So let's say to become a member, one of you family household members must have ties to the armed forces, DoD, or National Guard. Now, National Guard, we're still part of the military. So I belong to the National Guard right now, and you know I have membership with the Marine Corps in the past, and then I'm still belong now to the military, but I'm full time, and I work for the New York Army National Guard, and you know it's actually part of the Army, it's part of the military. So National Guard is also DoD or National Guard. Sometimes they don't see it because it's different titles. You got Title 10 to Title 32. That may not mean anything to you, but it's just the way that it's seen in the way that the military, some of the military branches get paid. So it's different buckets on how they pay different branches of the services. So that's all. The membership is a big deal. Why? Because guys, you gain so many perks. Now, who can join? Oh, let's say in order to join, remember, all you need is a social security number, driver's license, home address, and a credit card, a bank account, and routing number to fund your account. Remember, once you open it, all you need to do is be able to pull out these $5, $5 to $10. Well, I advise you, remember, you want to let this account season, all right? Let it season, let it gain some age. If you don't have any immediate use, still get it. Still get it. It is going to help you over time, especially when you start start to build a business or creating business accounts and trying to get credit cards, or you're trying to do an extension in the house or rebuilding the kitchen or whatever in your home. Guys, just keep it. Have it. And remember, always go for the flagship if you can. But one of the main things, you need to start working on your credit. Now, guys, some of the membership benefits. So let's go through it. Some of the membership benefits is that you earn more and you are able to save more. So if you see an average $352 more per year, guess what? You pay no fees on checking, credit card, balance transfer, and foreign transaction. That's amazing. I know. So when I went to Okinawa, Japan, I used my Navy Federal, and I didn't pay any foreign transactions. I mean, that was amazing to me. Opposed all the banks that I have, like Bank of America and Chase, they charge me. So you get low rates and rate discounts. You get interest reductions. So guys, I got a VA loan for one of my homes, and my personal homes. I got it through Navy Federal. Man, it was amazing. It's still amazing. I still have it. But the rate was less than 3% interest rates. No down payment, nothing, because it was through the VA. Plus, it was through Navy Federal, so I created that relationship with them. At the same time, one of my car loans is to Navy Federal. I have the Flexi, I have the rewards, I have the Go Biz. So, guys, membership is amazing. So I advise you to actually get it. As you see, you get 100% financing options, and it doesn't have to be only with VA loan. They also offer you those options. You can earn cashbacks or checking dividends. I mean, I'm telling you guys, if go through this, go through all the benefits that Navy Federal shows you that you can get compared to anybody else out there. I'm telling you, it is the best one that I ever found. And guess what, guys? You're talking to someone that has 43 credit cards, and I would choose this credit cards over any other ones just because of the benefits that I get and the relations that I've been able to actually work out with them. So guys, continue. Some of the perks, I mean, you see more perks. You get the Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance, Enterprise Car, Realty Plus, and Sirius XM. Honestly, I don't know who still uses Sirius XM, but if you do, by all means, there's actually a benefit here for you. Now, so you get some rewards. And again, guys, they walk you through, they actually tells you, I mean, and I'm gonna tell you, one of the tricks that I usually tell my clients is, if you're gonna apply for any of these credit cards, do it at nighttime. Not only apply for credit cards, but if you want a credit line increase after 12 o'clock, there's usually there are no underwriters, and the system kicks in. So the algorithms. So there's a trick in which you do it after 12 o'clock. You are able to almost trick the system to be able to let you through and still get approved for a credit card or a credit line increase. All right, guys, so let's find out if you are eligible. So am I eligible for membership? Now, how you eligible for membership? If you're, again, recapping is if you're an active duty retired veterans, any service members on all the branches of the service, active duty, Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, National Guard, and the Space Force. Guys, Space Force still being formed. It's a branch of the Air Force that President Trump would enact or formed, but there's still a lot of new things that need to develop with this new branch. But still, they're part of the military and they deserve the perks and the benefits that comes with Navy Federal. Now, the delay entry program, the DEP program, is if you join the military and you are waiting right now and waiting to go into basic training, that's called the DEP program. That's when you also you consider part of the military and you are eligible to join and get a membership with Navy Federal. DoD officer candidate ROTC. If you're going through college right now and you're going through a 4-year college and you join the ROTC through that school, you are allowed to also gain membership. Reservists, veteran retirees, and annuitants. Now, guys, anybody related to a service member, yes, you can get membership. Now, family members. Who are the family members? Parents, grandparents, spouses, siblings, children, including adopted or stepchildren, grandchildren, household members. Guys, right here, this is a little hack that you need to keep in mind. That, hey, if you live with someone that was or is in the military, or if that person passed by in some way, somehow, wink, wink. Well, before I continue, before I do my wink, wink, remember, this is for educational purposes only. So what you do going forward from here, I'm telling you some of the tricks. If you want to do it, it's entirely up to you. I'm just saying that there's different ways that you could go about this. Just make sure that you do it ethically, okay? Make sure that you have some type of membership with someone in order to gain access to the membership that Navy Federal can give you. Now, also DoD civilians. So DoD employees, U.S. government employees, DoD installation, contractors, and civilians that used to work for the DoD. Now, guys, memberships too, it goes to children, grandchildren, and anybody that derived from that lineage in the military. So, guys, this is the common ways that you can actually gain access. But let's just say that you had a friend that lived with you or that you allowed them to stay. In a way, if you go back up here, like I say, household members, doesn't say that it needs to be a family member that lives with you. It could be a friend that lives with you. Allow them to stay for a couple of weeks. Gain your membership. If that person needs a place to stay, you can definitely do that. That's a little hack. Now, guys, another thing that you can start doing is gain a career with Navy Federal. Why not work for them? Gain a membership. You see all the benefits that you can get. And if you love, I mean, they're a great corporation, a great credit union to work for. But if you, for some reason, you don't like it, you can always quit and still keep the membership and the benefits that comes with having a membership to Navy Federal Credit Union. Lastly, I'm going to give you the last thing. This is what I want you to do. I want you to Google Navy Federal Friends and Family Refer for 2022. It is going to be, and you go to the Facebook, they are going to give you a newsletter. Sign up for it, become a member with them, become friends with Navy Federal. They will let you know they have this every single year in which you are allowed to refer friends and family. Friends and family. Friends. Let me keep saying friends. Become a friend with a service member. Become a friend with someone that was in the military. Become a friend of a friend. Start asking the question. You never know who around you has the type of membership that can refer you to gain that membership. Now, something that we do in our course in the Best Credit Blueprint, we also can give you a referral for you to gain membership. Now, that's if you want. But again, that's not something that I'm advertising here. I just want to make sure that that's an option for you too. But hey, I hope this helps you. If it helped you and you have any comments, let me know. Put them in the comment section. Let us know how we did, how we can do better, and how can we improve in order to bring you better content every single day. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the Credit Assassin. This is the Best Credit Blueprint. I hope that you love this content. I would love for you guys to, if this was your first time, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and make sure that you give me the thumbs up. Smash it. That's gonna help me out so I could bring this value, this content to many more. I appreciate your time. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?